97 Battalion Rapid Action Force. Glad to inform that we could design and develop a microbial preventive suit. Microbial preventive suit is a second generation and advanced version of PPE kit. Despite of the fact that we have PPE kits, many doctors and nurses are getting affected by COVID. Microbial preventive suit has got so many special features and advantages over PPE kits, so it can give a foolproof protection. Our main intention in developing this PPE kit or microbial preventive suit is to protect our own troops who are deployed for COVID related duties. Now, seeing that many personnel in medical fraternity are affected by COVID, we feel that it is our duty to extend these services to them. Our dedicated research and experiments could result in developing this PPE kit, which we believe will be a blessing for the nation. Microbial preventive suit is made in 3 pieces. This is shoe cover which extends up to the knee. This is the upper portion and this is a trouser. Normal PPEs are made with non-woven fabric which is very uncomfortable to wear. But this is made of woven cloth which is very comfortable. Normal PPE, in order to ensure that the water, fluids and virus doesn't penetrate, it is laminated with plastic. This is woven cloth and this cloth can prevent penetration of water or any other fluid and the penetration of virus even at high pressure. This woven cloth is very comfortable to wear. PPE kits are made for one-time use, but MPS can be easily resanitized and easily reused. If a doctor or a nurse has to use PPE kit one time and then dispose it after that, the nation suffers a huge recurring cost. If a nurse or a doctor is provided with one set of MPS, then that person can use this throughout the whole COVID season. That will reduce the burden on the poor patients. MPS gives much superior protection than any other PPE kits available in the market. This is made of a special material and it is very comfortable to wear and it is very cost effective also. MPS saves the problem of disposing hazardous material. If one hospital is having 100 staff including doctors, nurses and all, at the end of the day they have to dispose 100 PPE kits. This is a huge problem. As far as MPS is concerned, this can be easily reused and this problem is solved. One of the main problem with PPE kits is that it does not permit body heat to go out. As a result, the man who wears it sweats very badly. He feels very hot from inside and it naturally spoils the mood of the mind and creates irritation. MPS is designed in a particular way. It is made in 3 pieces and it is overlapping and the heat can be emitted through molecular dissemination. So the person is more comfortable. Otherwise, a surgeon wearing a PPE kit, he feels very hot from inside and his mood is spoiled. Naturally, in his surgery, accuracy and precision is affected. A person wearing MPS does not have this problem. He is more comfortable. He can do the things with a free mind. MPS is eco-friendly. Disposing millions of PPE kits which are laminated with plastic naturally spoils the ecology. And unfortunately, many places, health workers, they just burn the PPE kit. Burning is a good method to ensure that all virus is dead. But the smoke that is coming out of the burning of the plastic goes into the thin air. That is what even our infants have to breathe. So as far as MPS is concerned, we don't have to dispose it. It can go along for months and months. So this is eco-friendly. It is pure woven cloth, which is very good quality, high quality material. Now I will explain how to sanitize a MPS from COVID virus. This is soap water solution. So this is taken and dipped in the soap water solution. It has to be kept for a few minutes, and then after that it can be taken out and it can be dipped in normal water. That is with the purpose to take away the elements of soap which is there in that. Then once more we are putting it into normal water, good water, so that any element of soap which is there will be removed. Now this is sanitized. Soap solution kills the coronavirus and the elements of soap has been removed. And that can be shaken and it can be put in a hanger over a stand. Since this material is water resistant and it does not absorb water, this will be dried up very soon. Within 5 minutes it will be dry and it will be ready for use again. It is a matter of great satisfaction that our dedicated research and experiments have become fruitful and we could develop a microbial preventive suit which is very comfortable to wear, giving high level of security and protection, and is very cost effective and very comfortable to wear and eco-friendly. We would like to present this as a humble contribution from the side of CRPF to the nation. Jai Hind.